Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to create a guest user account on Apple macOS Mac devices. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future, especially when Apple releases a new macOS update. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. When we want to share our Mac device with someone for temporary usage, we can create a guest account for them. They can use this account to browse, use standard Apple apps, and they cannot store any data on this. To do this on our Apple macOS device, let it be MacBook, Mac Mini, etc., we have to go to the system settings option. We can select this icon, or we can go to the Apple logo here and then go to system settings. We can select this. We will get a pop-up like this. Here on the left side, we have to go to users and groups, select that, and we will get this interface. We usually have 4 types of accounts: admin, standard, sharing only, and guest user account. For the admin account, this is the main account with all the features and permissions. We can install anything, we can make all the changes, etc. And for the standard account, this is a working account where we can use all the apps, use iCloud, save files, customize, etc. But we cannot do any admin tasks here. For example, some apps require administrator permission. When we are using standard account, we won't be able to do that. Next one, sharing only. Sharing only account won't give us any Mac login access, but we can access the shared folder and files. And finally, we have a guest user account. This is a place where we can do temporary tasks, like we can browse the web, use the available Apple apps, and we have to forget about everything when we log out. That's all. So to create or enable guest user account on our Apple macOS device, we have to go to this eye symbol next to guest user. Right now it is turned off. We have to select this eye symbol. We will get this pop-up. Here it says allow guests to log into this computer. We have to enable this option. So we also have the option to limit adult websites. Suppose if any children are using this, we can enable this. And we can also allow guest users to connect to shared folders. If you want that, you can do that. So that's all. We have to select OK. And now if I go to the lock screen, I'll get the option to log in as a guest user. Now as you can see, we have the guest user account here. Sometimes it will take some time to get this option. We can toggle between user accounts to get this. So we can now select this and we will get this pop-up here. It says this computer will restart to a secure web browser only system for the guest user. So we have to do this to enable the guest user account. So we can make all the changes in our other primary account to do this. And after that, we can select restart. So I'll get back to you once the restart is done. So after restarting, we will get this pop-up with the Wi-Fi details. We can select our Wi-Fi network and proceed further. And we also get this web page with all the information for guest users. We can read this. So this is how it looks. We have the web browser. Also for this, we won't be able to use any other apps because we have turned on the file vault. So you can disable this to access the standard Apple apps, I guess. That's all. We can connect to the Wi-Fi and we can use the web browser here. So if we want to exit the guest account, we have to go to this Apple logo and we can restart this. So after that, we will get our standard lock screen. We can see our guest user account here. Now we can go to our usual admin account and we can use this normally. These are the steps to create guest user account on Apple macOS devices. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.